Hello guys, on this video I will create all my lights. So here I just create one dome light, and inside of the color I will add one HDR. So here in the site here you can download like all this HDR for free. If you don't have any, so you can come here on this website and just download it. It's very useful. So we can have like a ambient lighting working here. You can use like this ambient light just for your render. But I like to put the intensity of this ambient light very low and add more 3 lights as I will show in this video. Here I just create a camera. So I'm just position this camera just to the face. We will do a rig for a turntable render here. So I will create this torus, just parenting all our lights and the camera on this torus, so we can like just rotate and everything will rotate together, you know. So yeah, here I'm just putting more subdivision for my torus, and I remove like everything to be rendered, so this torus can't be rendered. Here I just testing the render, the Arnold render. So as you can see, I can select my dome light and load the density to 0.5. So yeah, here I'm just adjusting the size of my final render. Actually right now I'm just adjusting the size of the total render that I will be using for the final shot, right? But later I will do like a render as a 2K. So right now I'm just adjusting the width and the height of the camera. So yeah, just doing some tests on the render. So here I'm sorry, still adjusting because I was doing like some zooming and I couldn't see the size of the canvas. So here I'm adjusting it the way that I want. As we don't have like any body, I wanna just like be focused on the head, right? So yeah, this is dome light. As you can see, when we hide the dome light, I don't have like any lights in the scene, so Arnold will not can render anything. Right now I create just area light, and I'm moving my area light the way that I want. So here I'm just scale up, and the intensity of this light will be very high. So yeah, 10,000. here I create another light. As you can see here, it will be the rim light, so it will be focused just on the back right now. I just turn off the front light, just so I can see where I will put my new light, right? As you can see here, I need this light like to be a little stronger than the front light, because I really want this rim on the back of the hair. It gives us a very nice look for our render. So yeah, this light here will be like a blue light, a bluish light, and the other side will be more reddish light. But I will change this later. Yeah, as you can see here, I'm just putting like some red for this light, just a tiny red. So yeah, so I'm lower down the density, the intensity of the light, right? And now I'm just put like all my lights together just to see how it looks. And as you can see here, I'm decreasing the intensity of the dome light, because I don't wanna too much influence of this dome light. I just wanna like just a little of the dome light, just to give some ambient light, you know. But yeah, here I'm just fixing all the lights that I want. For sure, you can set your lights wherever you want. This is what I'm showing here is not like something that you have to follow. It's just an idea for a light, you know. For example, if you wanna like use something more dramatic, you can choose like just to use like just one light for your scene, and yeah, whatever. This kind of things you have to look for. Like it's good to look for photography books, something like that. Here is just one example, a simple one, so have this in mind. Yeah, so here I'm just selecting everything and parenting on my torus, so we can have like a turntable working. As you can see here, my update Arnold render wasn't like updating correctly, so we just have to go to the render section here and put like update full scene, so it will refresh all your scene and will update automatically again. Yeah. Here I will create, just as I don't want this background for this scene, I will just create like my own background that will be like a white plane, or you can even create some whatever object that you want like for your background, right? Yeah, here I'm creating some loops, but as we will not see the ground here, I will just delete the ground and leave just the background. So yeah, I'm just adding that and I will parenting with my torus so it can rotate with the torus again. and here I will put like a keyframe on the rotation, and the first frame will be 0, and on the last frame that will be 120 will be 360, so I can have a full rotation. Yeah, just when we wanna do a turntable, it will work all good. Update the full screen again, because it wasn't updating when I changed my frames, right? So if I change my frames right now, it will be working. So yeah, here I will again update the way that I want my frame, the crop of this scene, right? So yeah, I'm just fixing this and doing some tests just to see if my when the model will be on the side of the screen, I can even see the hair on the camera. So yeah, here are some system things. But this part I think I can record again another part. This bucket size is just the size of the bucket that will be rendering. When you have like the default is 32 and the 64, I think so. And then if you put like a 16, it can be a little faster your render. So yeah, here I'm working on I'm changing the angle of the camera, putting 35, and I am updating my scene here, so you can have all the model cropped correctly. So yeah, here I'm just testing. And for the next video, I will be showing for you guys how to set the shader and render the first image.